Are you looking for tools to create perspective text effects like this? In this video, I'll teach you about a tool that's super easy to use. Do you want to know what it is? Let's get started. First, open Canva. Here, we'll add text. Click Add a Heading, then type perspective for this tutorial. Next, choose a font. Go to Font and scroll down. I chose Anton Font. Resize the text as needed. After that, click the text and change the color to white. Then, click the background and set it to black. Now, go to Share, then click Download. Set the file type to PNG and adjust the size for better quality. Check Transparent Background, then click Download. After downloading, delete the text and background. Now, we'll go to an application where we can apply the Perspective Effect tool. But before we continue with this tutorial, could you please like, share, and subscribe to my channel? Thank you. Now, back to Canva. Go to the search bar and type Transform Image. Then, select this logo. Click Choose File and upload the PNG text file we downloaded earlier. Drag the image to adjust the perspective. You can use your scroll wheel, pinch, or the slider below to zoom in and out. Once you're satisfied, click Add to Design. Next, go to Uploads and add the background image. Resize it as needed. Then, right-click on it, choose Layer, and click Send Backward. Now, adjust the text and background accordingly. Go to Elements, then search for Shadow. Select Graphics, scroll down, and choose this shadow effect. Resize and rotate it as needed. Then, go to Position and drag it downward. A perspective text effect with shadow. If you liked this video tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell button to stay updated with my latest tutorials.